I can't believe I did that. I'm going to show you how to take this shop light and turn it into a unique, one-of-a-kind light for your house. Now, why am I doing this? So I'm remodeling the bathroom. Big mistake. And the light outlet is on the ceiling. And I couldn't find a light bar, which is what I wanted, over the bathroom vanity. And so I finally found one, ordered it. It came in, I hooked it up, and every time I turned on the light, it changed color temperature. So I decided, well, can I make my own? And here's how I did it. Well, I got some wood, some parts, and hopefully a plan. Let's find out. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right, now that we got this fitting nice, we got to sand it and then paint it. Let's get to it. I got this painted, and before I did, I drilled 2 extra holes that were closer together because that's where the mounting is. These outside ones I need to fill. So I got these small screws that I'm going to glue in here and give them a shot of paint. All right, assembly time. Let's put this thing together and get it hung. And that's how I made my new bathroom light. Simple and easy. Remember, stay creative, enjoy life, and I'll see you next time when we do something all quacked up.